really special because I'm taking you on a tour of my brother and sister-in-law's place. So we are still in El Tunco. So the previous video I showed you a little bit of a walking tour, and Esymar, which is the beautiful Airbnb on the water, is where I'm going to take you all with me. Esymar is this beautiful gem in El Tunco. You can rent the entire house and just enjoy the space. It is inspired by Greek architecture, and my sister-in-law told me a story about her father, who is an architect, and he built the house inspired by Greece, and you'll see that in the architecture. The walls are white, you've got curved archways. There's just so much attention to detail in every part of the home, and you'll feel that when I walk you through the space with me. I just wanted to start off this video by telling you the connection that I have to Esymar. I hope that all of you really enjoy this video, and if you are coming to El Salvador and you would like a place to stay that is safe, that's beautiful, it's on the water, you can surf or just go for a swim, a lot of really incredible places to eat. I definitely recommend you booking with Esymar, and after the video you'll see why. Welcome to Esymar. As you enter, you're greeted with a portal that looks out to the ocean. If you turn left from the entrance, you can walk down and find 2 rooms and a view of the pool and the ocean. If we head back to the entrance, we can access the other side of the home, which includes one of the most beautiful rooms I have ever stayed in here at Esymar. To access the main bedroom in Esymar, you have to walk up these steps, and it is the first door on your left. So welcome to this beautiful master bedroom at Esymar. One of the features I love about this room is that the bed and the side tables and even this back part here are all built into this plaster wall. So you walk in and you have these big, beautiful lamps and side tables, each with their own plug. You've got AC in every room. And the best part of this room is what you get to wake up to every morning. So you can wake up, get your coffee, come upstairs and take a seat in this couch and drink your coffee looking out at the ocean. Across the hallway is another one of my favorite rooms with an incredible view of the ocean. This room also happens to have one of my paintings in it. It's got a really beautiful bathroom and window. So if we head back down the stairs, I'm going to take you to the main level, the level where you chill at the pool. You look out at the ocean and just enjoy your time. So the main level of Esymar is where we spend most of our time chilling, looking out at the ocean. If you love animals, then you will love that Esymar has bunnies and roosters. It is really like an animal sanctuary. You can sit poolside. There are so many spots to lounge. You can hang out in the hammocks or just go for a dip in the pool. I love these chairs looking out at the water because you're so high up, you can see so far out into the ocean, and it's a beautiful way just to wind down at the end of a busy day. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed making it. If any questions about the space, definitely make sure to go follow Esymar on Instagram. You can get a lot of info and additional videos, pictures from there. You can also check them out on Airbnb. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below, and I will relay those to the owners. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy, and I also wanted to just note thank you for the recent love from the videos and the support. I've been posting these videos in El Salvador, and I just really enjoy making them, so it makes me happy that many of you are enjoying watching them. So I will leave it there, and I hope you guys enjoy.